Hello mga idol, mga kabanonong. Ito na naman po ulit tayo at maghahandog na isang awitin para po sa inyong lahat. Ang tulad po na aking nasasabi, for entertainment lang po ito. Yan. Ano po yung may bigyan ninyo naman ang ating awitin para po sa inyo lahat, mga idol. When I feel like the words can mend, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far. We've swum up the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone. But I stared at these walls before, and they made me blue. All along in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that is still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or why. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You forever will be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do, long as it's close to you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You forever will be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, for travel so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years go by, I'm beginning to say that I can count on you.